If you are experiencing slow drying times or poor drying performance, start by making sure to check that the lint filter is clean. Make sure that your vents are not clogged with lint or other objects. During the winter months, please check to make sure that vents are clear and free of snow and ice, and that roof and side vents aren't covered in snow and are not frozen shut. If you are seeing a TE2 error message when you try to use a steam cycle, it is possible that extremely cold weather conditions or improper venting is causing this to happen. The TE2 error code usually occurs when cold air from the outside comes back into your dryer through an open exhaust vent. Make sure that your louvers and flaps are operating properly to prevent it from happening again. Check for snow, frost, or any type of buildup that may cause it to stay open. You can also fix this issue by running the dryer empty on a different cycle to warm it up for a few minutes. Another solution is to turn on the dryer and select the steam fresh cycle. Press the More Time button until you select the big or bulky option. Start the cycle.